So, here's a question that comes up a lot. Does an instructional designer need to be a subject matter expert to create effective learning content? You'd think the answer is yes, right? I mean, how can someone design a course if they're not already an expert in that specific field? Actually, it's not necessary, and here's why. Instructional designers are experts in the science of how people learn rather than the content itself. Their role is to take all that detailed, specialized knowledge from the subject matter expert, or SME, and translate it into engaging, effective learning experiences. Think of it this way. The SME brings the what, the depth of knowledge and expertise in the topic. The instructional designer, on the other hand, focuses on the how to structure that content in a way that's accessible and impactful for learners. It's about creating a partnership where each brings critical expertise to the table. In fact, instructional designers excel at taking complex, specialized information and breaking it down into clear, digestible pieces. They know how to incorporate different instructional strategies, whether it's interactive multimedia, assessments, or collaborative activities, so that learners not only absorb the content, but can actually apply it in real-world scenarios. At the end of the day, it's not about being an expert in every subject. It's about being an expert in creating learning pathways that engage and educate. By collaborating with SMEs, instructional designers ensure that learning content is both accurate and highly effective. So, if you're ever wondering whether an instructional designer needs to be a subject matter expert, rest assured they don't. What really matters is the partnership between the SME and the instructional designer, working together to craft something that learners can truly benefit from. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.